Hello everyone, today we are going to learn to check whether the provided alphabet is a vowel or not. So to get that we are going to use if statements for the first time. Okay, let us assume in a variable L is equal to input. So this is the variable where the user will enter the input. Enter an alphabet. So he will enter an alphabet here and it will go and get stored in L. Now we will create an if statement. If L is available in, we will have to write vowels here. A, E, I, O, U. But since these vowels are text values, we will have to create inverted commas around each vowel. So if L value is equal to any of these values, then what should happen? Print L is a vowel. Okay, clear? If L doesn't belongs to any of that 5 letters, if it is not belongs to A or E or I or O or U, then what should happen? For that we will have a separate keyword called else. Else print L is not a vowel. Let us create a space here. Okay. Is not a vowel. So clear, let's run the program and we'll check. So it is asking for an alphabet. Clear. Let me enter E. So E is a vowel. It got it right. Let us run the program again. Now we will enter a non-vowel. Let us assume F. F is not a vowel. So we are right again. Now in order to add something to this, there is one more letter called Y. Sometimes Y is a vowel, sometimes Y is not a vowel. So then how we have to mention that? We will create one more keyword here which is called elif. Elif. L equals to Y. I will tell you why I kept double equals. Double equals, if you give single equal to, the value of Y will get assigned to L. If you give double equals to, the system will check whether the value of L is equals to the value mentioned here. That means if you keep double equals to, the system will check whether LHS, the left hand side of the equation, is equal to the right hand side of the equation, RHS. So let us check. If the mentioned L value is Y, then what should happen? Print Y is sometimes vowel, sometimes not. Okay, let us save the run this. Now I will enter Y here. So gives the output Y is sometimes vowel, sometimes not. So looking at this you will understand. If is one keyword, elif is one keyword, else is another keyword. Okay, if you write else, you don't have to mention any statement after that. But if you write if or elif, you will have to mention some conditional statement after that. And there is a colon here. This colon will help the system understand that the condition has been finished there, and the next line will help. Next line is the condition is correct, then the next line will execute. If the condition is not correct, it will go directly to the next keyword, which is elif. If this condition is also not correct, then it will go to the else keyword. If any of the above conditions are not correct, then finally the system will give an output of else. So that is the function of if statements. Thank you.